SolidWorks 2018 delivers a powerful suite of tools that provides a completely integrated design-to-manufacturing solution. Validate design function and optimize form, all while building intelligent manufacturing information directly into your design. Then use it to automate downstream machine programming and inspection processes to get your products to market fast. Topology Study in SolidWorks Simulation Professional lets you focus on validating the design function, and SolidWorks delivers the components form. Based on real-life use, desired goals, constraints, and even manufacturing considerations, Topology Study provides results to guide your decisions on component form, regardless of the manufacturing process you choose, and final validation is easier than ever before. Putting the 3D model at the center of the process, using SolidWorks model-based definition, all the product manufacturing information, or PMI, required to manufacture your design can be applied directly to the 3D geometry, removing the cost and timely overhead of creating 2D drawings. Presenting the PMI data this way makes it easy to understand and removes ambiguity, from detailing the relevant datums to features like holes complete with detailed tolerance information. When you're ready to manufacture your design, Solidworks Cam delivers fully integrated knowledge-based CNC programming. Leveraging the PMI directly from the 3D model, SolidWorks Cam automatically applies your preferred machining strategies to the part based on the tolerance scheme. If the tolerance specification of a feature changes, SolidWorks Cam automatically updates the machining operations using predefined rules that match your manufacturing best practices. Parts that once took hours or even days to program can now be programmed automatically in minutes. At the same time, by using Solidworks Inspection, your quality team can utilize the PMI on the model to generate first article inspection reports that are ready to be utilized by quality control as final inspection documentation, streamlining your quality control processes even further. In a fast-moving design-to-manufacturing environment, making sure everyone has the right version of the right document at the right time is critical to ensuring your product is delivered on time and on budget. SolidWorks PDM manages and synchronizes design data across your entire organization in a centralized, secure vault, providing a scalable solution from just a single project to many locations across multiple geos. SolidWorks 2018 puts the 3D model at the center of your design and manufacturing process, providing a single source of intelligent information that opens up new areas of innovation, increases productivity, and helps get your products to market even faster.